Hey everyone! Winter is here, and while it brings cozy vibes and hot cocoa, it also brings dry, harsh air that can wreak havoc on our skin. But don't worry, I've got 8 skincare hacks to keep your skin glowing all winter long. Let's dive in. First up, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Next, switch to a gentle cleanser. Harsh cleansers can strip your skin of its natural oils, leaving it feeling tight and dry. Opt for a creamy, non-foaming cleanser to maintain that moisture balance. Number 3, exfoliate, but not too much. Exfoliating once or twice a week helps remove dead skin cells and allows your moisturizer to penetrate better. But over-exfoliating can lead to irritation, so be gentle. Tip number 4, use a heavier moisturizer. Winter air can be really drying, so switch to a richer, more hydrating moisturizer to keep your skin soft and supple. Don't forget about sunscreen. Just because it's colder doesn't mean the sun's rays aren't harmful. Apply a broad-spectrum SPF every morning to protect your skin. Tip 6. Invest in a humidifier. Indoor heating can suck the moisture out of the air, and a humidifier helps keep your skin hydrated. It's a game changer. Number 7. Take shorter, lukewarm showers. Hot showers might feel amazing, but they can strip your skin of essential oils. Stick to lukewarm water to keep your skin happy. Last but not least, don't forget your lips and hands. These areas can get super dry in winter, so keep a good lip balm and hand cream handy. There you have it, 8 simple hacks to keep your skin glowing all winter long. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more skincare tips. Stay radiant, everyone. See you next time.